going through a no contact situation and you don't know why is it that your person have ghosted you, and why is it that things are not turning out in your favor? Here is your answer. Hi guys, my name is Neha Tanka. I'm also known as Luna the Moon Tarot. I'm a spellcaster, a tarot card reader, a numerologist, a switchword expert, and a crystal healer. Now let's see. Please close your eyes, take your person's name, take 3 deep breaths, drop like and drop no contact is going to end pretty soon in the comment section, and this reading is going to resonate with majority of you. So this particular energy update is for the people who have hit the like button to connect to my energies and dropped a comment. What is it that you should know? Why is it that there is a no contact situation? Six of Swords. Okay, but the starting was the Two of Swords. Hanging right in the middle, they are. Your person is standing at the crossroads, don't know what exactly they want to do, what exactly they want to choose, which direction they want to move forward, and that is why they were not able to give you an answer. And because they were not able to give you an answer, they sort of ghosted you. They sort of asked you to move on, or they told you that I am going to move on. But having said that, with the Six of Swords, even if they may have asked you to move on, they couldn't, because now I see them coming back to you because their karma has served them. You know why? Because even though they asked you to move on, they could not move on from this particular situation or from this particular connection at all. The justice tells me that somewhere down the line they are going to balance the situation, they are going to heal this particular pattern, and they are going to equally accept whatever happened. Their karma is haunting them because they care for you, there are a lot of emotions, they love you madly. It's just that they are not able to express that because they don't know what exactly they want to do, they don't know what exactly they need to do in this particular situation. When now they are feeling so much in love with you, they feel as if, they out of impulse they did not do the right thing, or they did not take the right step in this particular situation. With the Six of Cups, they cannot hold themselves back because they are daydreaming about you, they are thinking about you completely, they are missing you badly, there are a lot of emotions involved, they are going through the memory lanes and they don't know what to do exactly, guys. So you're making them mad. Let me tell you that you're making them mad, completely mad in your love. This person may have taken you for granted in the recent past, but now they realize your worth. With Five of Wands, there have been some outside influences or people involved, or challenges in this particular situation. This person may have fought, you may have fought with them in the recent past, and they couldn't move on from this particular situation, and out of impulse they may have said that they do not need this particular connection, they do not want this particular situation in their life, hence they asked you to move on, and now they can't resist this anymore. They can't resist your love anymore, they can't stay away from you anymore. There are so many things involved. With the Chariot card, I do see that somewhere down the line, this person is coming fast, like really fast in your in your life. They are choosing you, they are choosing the direction. The only thing that they feel, or the only thing which is holding them back, is they feel that you must be very angry. Will you accept them back will you accept them back in your life or not? That is a question, because now they know that you are somebody who's very grounded, you're somebody who is worth a commitment, and that is what they are going to do. They are going to reappear in your life with a stability offer, with a commitment offer, and that is going to make you feel really, really happy. The way they are going to approach you is, first they are going to test the waters. They're going to be very light-hearted energy, they are going to have very, very light-hearted energy, and they are going to come with a lot of passion involved in this particular connection. You won't even imagine what is going to happen in this particular situation, because I do feel that with the Page of Wands, this person is going to be there in your connection. First they're going in your life, first they're going to test the waters, then slowly and gradually they are going to build up, because they feel that you are very angry and you are very upset from them, because how they treated you, how they were. You wanted commitment, you are somebody who offers a lot of stability in their life, and they do acknowledge that they want to come forward in your life, they want to be with you, they don't want to make any rookie mistakes now, okay, whatever mistake they made in the recent past. Now let's see what actions are they going to take in this particular connection. Oh my god, the Hierophant, they are going to come forward with a commitment, they are going to come forward with a marriage offer. Are you ready to say a yes or not? Right, because they do realize that you are the one for them, and going and in a no contact situation by asking you to move on was a very stupid mistake, a very stupid thing to do from their end. Now they are going to come forward, they are going to speak to you with the Four of Wands, they are going to ask you for the commitment, they are going to ask you for your hand, they are going to propose to you. For few of you, I would not be surprised, because I already hear wedding bells ringing, a proposal, a ring coming up. So you may be even getting engaged right now, if not marriage commitment, because I do see this person actually going to come towards you. They are going to bend on one of their knee and they are going to ask you for marriage. Okay, I see engagement also happening, the Nine of Cups. Your dreams, wishes and hopes are going to be fulfilled in this particular connection. In the upcoming days, you are going to be in a solid infinity partnership. Okay, do you see this? Infinity forever together, a soulmate connection, a soulmate union carried forward from your past life, always together in every lifetime. That's why you feel such a strong pull towards this person. Four of Cups, but because this person has made you go through so much torture, you may not be interested initially, but I do see that slowly and gradually you will be. The Ace of Wands, the passion is ignited again, the passion is going to come back again. And with the Queen of Cups, I do see that you do care for this person. You may not show or accept it initially, straightforward, immediately, but I do see you accepting this particular connection. The Devil, the fears, the phobias are going to get over. You are going to get over. This person is going to get over with all the fears and phobias they had when it comes to this connection and marriage. And I do see that they are going to put equal efforts in this particular situation and connection. What is the advice and guidance for my viewers watching this particular video? Let's see that. What is the advice and guidance? Page of Cups. This person is going to come and apologize. Are you ready to take the apology here? All right, so this person is going to come and apologize to you. Are you ready to take that apology here? That is up to you, because I do see that you were stuck in this situation and now you will be free. You will be free because this person is coming back. Six of Pentacles, now they are the givers and you are going to be the taker. This particular connection is going to balance itself out. The negativity is going to end. I see few people traveling outside, abroad, or if it's a long distance relationship, that is also going to come to end, right? The Knight of Swords, I do see that, out of impulse, many things may have happened, but now if you want this connection to happen, don't act out of impulse, because there can be some amount of fight that can take place in this particular connection. So be careful if you really want them, right, with your words. The Magician, many of you may have got the spell work done either through me or from or somebody, but you did. By the way, guys, the full moon energy, the full moon bookings are open for 12th of April. This card definitely tells me that there is extra power play going on over here. So feel free to book the spell work with me, the healing work with me. I'm also open to take personalized tailor made sessions. In case if you want to go ahead, book a spell work with me to make this entire situation happen, then go for the 21 days love combo. I always say that because that covers everything. You don't have to take multiple spells. Everything is done accumulated in one 21 days combo. Okay, the magician tells me that you really need that boost. And by the way, guys, if my spell work will not work for you, nobody's spell work is going to work for you. That's how powerful it is, by the way. Okay, now let's see the Empress. For few I see pregnancy on the cards. For few I see that you're taking care of yourself. You may be hitting gym, you're getting your hair work done, whatsoever, but you are taking good care of yourself. With the Wheel of Fortune, things now seem to be moving forward. I see that some positive turn of events is going to take place. With the Hermit card, you are going to come out of that zone. Where Amethyst, by the way, because I see that whatever anxiety that you were going through on your left wrist, like I am also wearing, okay, so wear Amethyst. It is going to help you out to have a good night's sleep, because I do see that with the moon and all these things, some anxiety issues, fear, phobias are there, negative thought process is there, negative obsession is there. So to get a hold on that, wear Amethyst on your left wrist. Okay, Queen of Swords, Three of Cups. I do see that now you're being very practical. By the way, the advice is be practical, because I do see the union is about to happen, the reconciliation is about to happen. Whatever negativity you are going through, you were going through, you have ended it, you have worked upon yourself, and now is the time when they are going to message you, they are going to come. For few, I hear as soon as you wear Amethyst on your left wrist, they are going to come in. Okay, they are going to tell you, express everything whatever they kept within their heart, and you will feel very happy. By the way, guys, uh, the slots are limited for the full moon, so do go ahead and book it ASAP before the slots run out. And in case if you want a reading, then do go ahead and do that ASAP too. Feel free to reach out for any questions, any queries. I'll be happy to assist you in that. Thank you so much. I'm gonna see you in the next video.